What's up and welcome to the Jackson's Visit. We are in Al Quwain, United Arab Emirates, and this is the 10 important things that you need to know before traveling outside of the country.
Number one is passports. If you plan on traveling internationally, you want to make sure that you have a passport. It is impossible to travel without one. If you already have a passport, you want to make sure that it is not expiring within at least 6 months of travel time. You also want to make sure that you have enough pages in that passport for necessary entry stamps and visas. To find out which countries require visas, you want to look on that country's website to find out the fees for entries and visas as well.
Currency exchange apps are extremely handy. They give you immediate access to exchange rates worldwide. For instance, we are in the United Arab Emirates right now. If I go to a store, see something that costs 10 dirhams, I could go to my phone, go to my app, type in 10 dirhams, and immediately I see how much I'm spending in my currency.
Number 3, universal adapters. Different kinds of electrical plugs are used around the world. It would be smart to carry a universal adapter so that you can charge all of your electrical items.
Hello, I'm Jame. This is number 4. It is important to know what the weather is going to be like in the country you are traveling to. You do not want to bring shorts and a t-shirt and the weather's freezing cold. Also, if you are traveling to a tropical climate, make sure it is not rainy season.
Number 5. Number 5 is flights. Now, this one is optional. This is something that we do. It kind of helps us to safeguard our vacations. We usually book one-way flights to our destination. That way, if we decide to stay longer or to leave early, to head out somewhere else, we're okay. It's kind of hard sometimes when you're booking round-trip tickets and you get to a destination, you're like, oh, we want to leave, but you can't because you have to wait now until it's time to go. So we found this works better for us. It's more economical, and then when we're ready to leave, we usually book our return one-way flight.
Number 6, amenities and entertainment. If you are traveling to another country, make sure your hotel has a lot of things to do for kids, such as the pool or an arcade. Also, make sure you check the menu of the restaurants that are at the hotel, as kids are very picky of what they want to eat. Make sure that they have enough TVs and good internet. And make sure you bring some type of board game or card games just in case the internet goes out or is slow.
Number 7, meals on flights. Now, as a person with an allergy or food allergy, this is very important. Those of you who can't eat certain foods, it's important to check the website of the airline that you are flying on to see how you can pre-order your meals. That way, you won't get anything that you can't eat. Number 8, culture. It is very important to research as much as possible when you're traveling to a new country. This is because you want to know as much as you can about the culture, the customs, the do's and the don'ts, so that you won't offend anyone.
Number 9, baggage weight. Please don't pack the whole house when traveling overseas. They will charge you for extra baggage weight. To find out about baggage limits and restrictions, you can visit the airline's website.
Number 10, booking hotels. There are a few things that you can do to cut down the cost of spending when traveling. Number 1 is to make sure that the hotel that you book does have a free airport shuttle. That way, they're picking you up for free and dropping you back off when it's time to leave. Number 2 is if your room rate includes breakfast, it's a good deal. Take it because that cuts the cost of you spending for one meal per day.
So this concludes our 10 things to know before traveling out of the country. Thank you for watching. Peace.
If there's anything important that you think we left off the list, please add it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.
Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Ding,
Oh,
ding,
my-
ding. Ding, 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 ding.